Hi guys, welcome back. Mike Hermes at MH Tutorials, and today we're going to address another subscriber question. Their question was this. They were modeling a scene where they had a number of objects on a desk, including a blueprint, and they wanted that blueprint to look a little bit more realistic. So not just an image pasted to the desk, but more like an actual blueprint. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off in our polygons menu, and we're going to create a ground plane, and we're just going to hit 5 for shaded mode, and let's right click and go to assign new material, select Lambert, go to the color tab, and let's go with maybe an off-white color. That's not too important right now. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to create another plane, and we're going to get that basically into the shape of the blueprint. I'll pull it up a little bit. And first, what we're going to do is we're going to add some subdivision to that. So, hang on. Yeah, there we go. We're going to increase that quite a bit. Let's say 20 by 20. That's fine. Okay. And now, in object mode, we're going to right-click, assign new material. We're going to go to our Lambert tab in our material tab in our attribute editor. We're going to click on the color checker box here, go to file, and I'm going to just pick up that file. I got that off the net, and it's, I believe I called it blueprint. That would make sense. Let me see. There it is. Okay. All right. So we got that. We're going to hit the checkered box here. Okay, as you can see, it's not, it has to be rotated. So what we're going to do is we're going to select that. We're going to go to create UVs, planar mapping. Still needs to be rotated. We're going to go to edit UVs, UV texture editor. We're going to right click, go to UV, drag select it. And we're going to hit E, and we're going to start to rotate the other way around. I think, yeah. There we go. And let's make sure we have that nice and square. Okay. So if we close this, okay. So that is our basic situation. Now this is pretty much a situation that he ran into, right? This looks like an image, just it's not real. It doesn't look real. Okay. So we're going to do a couple of things. First of all, we're going to set up some quick lighting. So create lights. Let's say point light. We're going to hit W. We're going to pull that up. Pull it out, something like that. And we're going to hit Control D to duplicate that. Pull it over there and over here. And we're going to select these two. And we're going to go to our point light shape tab in the attribute editor. We're going to go to shadows. And we're going to select to use depth map shadows. Okay. Back to our scene. We're going to hit 7 on our keyboard, which will allow us to see what the lighting is doing, and I'll show you. I'll just click one of these lights. As you can see, it affects what we're looking at. Okay, so that's a good start. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start by moving this down. So we're going to switch views to very close to the floor plan here, but not 100%. Now, next what we're going to do is we're going to create some creases in here. So I'm going to right click, go to edge. I'm going to double click on that edge. And I'm just slightly going to pull that up. Something like that. Okay. And we're going to do the same here. Let's take that one. And we're going to slightly pull that one up. All right. Maybe add one there. Just a little bit. We're going to take the corner vertex, so right click, go to vertex. We're going to take that one. We're going to lift it just a little bit. Do the same with that one. Okay. Here and there, we're going to take an individual one and we're going to pull that up. So let's say that one. And that one. Okay. We are going to go to the corner here. We're going to go up to Edit Mesh, Interactive Split Tool. And we're going to start in that corner, click there, hit Enter. Okay. And then we are going to right-click, go to Vertex, select that vertex, pull that up, and just double-click on your Move tool here. Go to Object Mode, close that. That didn't work out like I expected, but it doesn't matter. Let's see what we got. Something like that. Okay. So we got that corner there. That's good. We're going to take about 4 vertices here. So vertex 1, 2. Make sure that's not exactly in a square because that's not going to work. Just pull it up a little bit. And we're just going to overall tweak it. Okay. Pull that up a little bit. I'm going to do the same here. Take these two. Take these two. There we go. Okay. So now if we look at this, and we'll just do a quick render. Okay, so we're going to go to Mental Ray. I'm going to switch to Mental Ray. Let's set the quality, bump that up a little bit. Let's say 1.2 or so, 1.25 maybe. In our Common tab, we are going to bring that to HD 1080. And let's give this a quick render and see what happens, okay? And of course you want to dress the scene completely with your desk and your lights and your pencil and all that other stuff. But this is just to illustrate, you know, that you can do quite a lot with the actual blueprint to make it look more real. And hopefully that is the case. We'll just give that another sec. Now, as you can see, we can bring the entire document a little bit closer and down to the table. But all in all, it's not too bad. So we'll just have it render out. A few more seconds. Well, as you can see with the folds, the creases, and so forth, this looks much more like a realistic document. And again, you know, we can just bring it down a little bit closer to the table. But all in all, this is the effect that you're going for. So just a quick tip on that. Hopefully that was helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.